across the sky. A moment in your arms became the reason why. And you're still the only light that fills the emptiness, the only one I need till my dying breath. And I would give you everything just to feel your open arms. And I'm not sure I believe